I love Barking and Dagenham Library.
I love Barking and Dagenham Library.
I like Barking and Dagenham Library.
So this video will tell you more about the Feld Awards that are happening today at the Barking Town Hall, hosted by the Worshipful of Mayor of Barking and Dagenham Council, Councillor Abdul Aziz. A civic ceremony to celebrate the winners of the awards, to celebrate the achievement of all the children who have taken part in the reading throughout the year. They read a number of books, and all the library staff nominate the best progress of reading of the children. And at the end of it, we select a number of winners, from reading stories to creative writing competition, and you'll get a snapshot of the awards tonight.
Hello, my name is Raj and I am 7 years old. I'm gonna have lots of fun.
My name is Rudra and I feel really excited about what I'm going to do and how I'm going to be.
My name is Sabina Mayawatiban. My name is Vashina Mayawatiban. I am 8 years old. I am 6 years old. Today I am excited. My name is Jiren. My name is Stephanie. We entered the competition to read and learn new things. I'm nervous. I'm excited.
My name is Destiny.
My name is John.
I feel excited
Because we're interested in reading and we want to know more. My name's Abu.
My name is Lami.
I am 6 years old.
I am 8 years old.
I am happy because I am in the mayor.
I'm excited because I like to see the mayor, and this is the why I voted for her, because I love reading and I wanted to understand more about reading.
My name is Prajit.
My name is Akana.
My name is Harika.
I feel excited because this is my first time seeing the mayor.
I'm looking forward to like get medals and things.
My name is Jennifer.
My name is Trisha. I'm 10 years old.
I'm 8 years old.
I'm excited about seeing the mayor.
My name is Santosh and I'm 8 years old.
My name is Jessica and I'm 9 years old.
We're excited to make the mayor.
My name is Sanjina. My name is Jitesh. My name is Lady Master. I'm looking forward to meet the mayor.
Hello, I'm David, I'm the Director of Community Solutions, and I'm here this evening in the Town Hall awarding reading prizes to the children of Barking and Dagenham. There are hundreds of them. They've all read all year long and received their prizes with the Mayor, and it's been a great evening. And for me, it just reminds me of all of those things I've done for so many years in libraries, remembering the power of reading and the enjoyment that it could bring to so many people. So well done to the library service, another great evening, and I'm so happy to have been here. Thank you all very much. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Himanshu Jain. I am the Assistant Governor for Rotary in East London. We support these events because we recognize the importance of reading and writing in young children, and that's why we support these awards year on year, and we want to make sure that the children read good and write even better.
My name is Rahim, and today I've won the runners-up prize for the microphone writing competition, and I have to say my evening so far has been quite good, and I quite enjoyed the prize giving, and I must say the bit where I actually got the prize, I think that has to be the best bit.
My name is Ruth. The award I won is the Fair Rich Winner Prize, and it means a lot to me, and I'm really happy I won it. Thank you to everyone. Everyone should read because it's fun and enjoyable.
I'm very proud of my sister for winning this award.
I'm very happy the family is united and Ruth has won the trophy.
I'm very glad all their hard work have yielded this winning of trophy.
My name is Sanya, and I feel very happy about getting this award. My school inspired me because we always used to write stories in school in literacy. I want to thank my mum and dad and my school. Hello, I'm Raj, and I am happy because I have got this shield. I got this shield because I was very good at reading. My name is Arushi, and I'm 7 years old, and I had fun today in the evening.
You have seen all the children tell you more about the reading awards that take place throughout the year. So all young people who want to take part next year, come forward and find out more in the link below.